they have been award winning products. So this is a dupe of some very high end perfume worth 40,000. It's very, पर ये मैंने खुद के लिए खरीद लिया, मुझे लगा ये टूट गया यार. दिस इज Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you are new here, hi, I am Valen. I make beauty, travel and lifestyle content here on YouTube. So please subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. Today I am sharing my huge beauty haul that is worth 32,000. पता नहीं इतना अमाउंट कैसे बढ़ जाता है, but nonetheless this is my work. I review stuff for you guys. I buy stuff for myself. I buy it for my husband, I buy it for my in-laws or maybe at home as well. So चलता रहता है ये तो मेरा. Most of the products are quite new to me. कुछ ही चंद products होंगे जो मैं already use कर चुकी हूँ and these are restocks of those products. तो उनके review मैं आपको साथ साथ में देती जाऊंगी. But whatever is new to me, I'll just show it to you guys. So now without wasting any further time, grab something to eat or drink and let's jump right in. First, as usual, I'll be sharing skincare, body care and hair care. Firstly, we have is this Be Body Wise का 10% AHA body scrub. Now this is supposed to exfoliate dead skin cells and remove ingrown hair and tan. इसके बारे में मैंने काफी ज्यादा सुना है, इसलिए मैंने डायरेक्टली बड़ा टब ही ऑर्डर कर दिया. ये मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था. I should have bought in the smaller size, try it out if it works for my skin. Then I should have bought in the bigger one. But मुझे लगा कि यार सब लोग यूज कर रहे हैं, काफी अच्छा ही होगा, इतने रिव्यूज देख लिए. एंड जो शावर प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं वो मैं और आदि दोनों यूज करते हैं, तो काफी जल्दी भी खत्म हो जाता है हमारा. सो आई गॉट द बिगर साइज ओनली. So yeah, I'm going to review this soon. Moving on, I have the One Thing का toner. This is the Centella Asiatica. I don't know. I'm just blabbering at this point. I purchased this solely because I saw a lot of self-care and skincare influencers using this. And अगर वो कोई product use कर रहे हैं तो I'm sure अच्छा होगा. And because I've also started to do a lot of self-care and skincare, so I am very keen on trying this out. उन्होंने बोला था कि especially summers में बहुत अच्छा है. It just calms your heated or irritated skin down. So I got this because summers में काफी ज्यादा मेरे redness आ जाता है मेरे cheek area में and gets inflamed very easily. So yeah, I'm going to try this and review it soon. Next up I have is this Exfoliate Away Micro Polishes for Silkier Skin Body Wash 4% Refining Serum Plus AHA by Dove. नाउ ये वेरिएंट जो इनके 3 आए हैं ये बहुत ज्यादा वायरल हुए हैं. आई नो एवरी अदर इन्फ्लुएंसर इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, सो आई एम श्योर देयर इज समथिंग अबाउट इट. ओके, एवरीबडी इज लविंग इट ऑल्सो बिकॉज डव जनरली पहले काफी प्रोडक्ट्स उसके अच्छे नहीं थे, बट रिसेंटली जैसे उन्होंने वो बॉडी पॉलिशेस लाए हैं उसके बाद जो उन्होंने चीजें निकाली, आई थिंक दे आर गोइंग रियली वायरल एंड फॉर ऑल द गुड रीजन. सो ऑफकोर्स दिस आई हैड टू ट्राई इट आउट. एंड इसका स्मेल यहाँ से भी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा आ रहा है, सो आई एम अज्यूमिंग इट्स गोइंग टू बी रियली गुड. नेक्स्ट तो जो खर्चा हुआ है मेरा, ये सिर्फ 3 चीजों के पीछे आई स्पेंट 8,000 रुपीज. बोलने में मेरी जान जा रही है. आई हैव द Olaplex No. 4 बॉन्ड मेंटेनेंस शैम्पू एंड No. 5 बॉन्ड मेंटेनेंस कंडीशनर. Oh my God, they are so expensive. इनको खरीदने में जान निकल गई, बट आई डिड वांट टू गिव देम अ शॉट बिकॉज ये काफी ज्यादा वायरल है, नॉट जस्ट विद इंडियन क्रिएटर्स बट ऑल्सो इंटरनेशनल क्रिएटर्स एज वेल. सो मुझे देखना था कि इसमें ऐसा तो क्या है, बिकॉज इसका जो पैकेजिंग है दैट जस्ट नॉर्मल प्लास्टिक बॉटल, देयर इज नथिंग. इसका जो ऊपर का ये पेपर भी है वो भी एक नॉर्मल सा पेपर है. सो द प्राइस पॉइंट शुड ओनली बी वर्थ इट इफ द फॉर्मूला इज गुड. सो आई एम वेरी इंटरेस्टेड टू सी how it turns out. So I'm very excited to try these out. And I also got the Olaplex bonding oil and oh my God, this costed a kidney. इतना छोटू सा bottle, it costed me a kidney. I am sure ये आप लोगों ने बहुत जगह पे देखा होगा. It is very viral. People say that you just need 2 to 3 drops and you just lather onto your hair and you will have the most smoothest frizz-free hair. I wanted to try this whenever I do heat using on my hair, whenever I do curls or straightening or anything of that sort, because उसके बाद बालों की हालत थोड़ी सी हो जाती है. So yeah, I will see how this pans out. Next up I have is the Fig Scrub Mask from I Am From. Now this is a face mask. Now this is a face mask. इसके बारे में भी मैंने काफी ज्यादा सुना हुआ है. It has fig in it, of course, from the name we can say. बट मैंने इसको कभी ट्राई नहीं किया है, मैंने इस ब्रांड से कभी कुछ और परचेज भी नहीं किया है. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी रियली गुड स्टार्टर पैक फॉर मी बिकॉज काफी ज्यादा लोगों ने इसके बारे में बात किया था. इट्स रियली गुड एंड बिकॉज इट हैज माइन्यूट पार्टिकल्स इट्स गोइंग टू रियली एक्सफोलिएट योर स्किन जेंटली एंड ऑल्सो डू द hydrating and all that stuff to your skin. So I am very interested in trying this out. Next I have is the hair growth serum concentrate by Wish Care. मैंने अभी तक इसको खोला भी नहीं है. I have already emptied 2 bottles of this and it really works. I know Wish Care का ये hair serum बहुत ज्यादा viral है and it's for all the right reasons. So you might as well grab this if you want to see some hair growth on your hair. This is really good. Next up I have is the Gillette Venus Comfort Glide का जो top razor होता है वो. Now I have the entire razor but उसका जो top portion है उसका replacement है ये because उसके जो gel bars है जो soap वाले inbuilt है वो खत्म हो चुके हैं. So I want to throw them away. I got the top replacements. It's a pack of 2 and I really love this stuff because कभी भी वो अचानक वाला अगर कोई event आ गया है या vacation आ गया है, I need to use this. Next up I have is this Nykaa Wanderlust Tropical Sunset with notes of fresh peonies and rejuvenating shower gel. I love Nykaa ka shower gels. They are very sasta and they are really good. I have talked about the Dreaming of Paris variant a lot of times. So for summers, I really wanted to get the Tropical Sunset one because of course it's so summery and it's decent. It's good. It's nothing like out of the world, but they're very affordable and good for the price point that you're paying. Next up I have is another variant from the Dove Body Polish. This one is the crushed macadamia and rice milk version. Now I already have tried the mango one and I love that. It's superb for summers. I now have the pomegranate one which is a so-so one. I do like it but not as much as the mango one, and this one not the best. I do not like the smell. It's just matlab it's very it's nice, it's creamy or it's something like that, very creamy almondy, but that's not something that I enjoy. I like that very fruity, flowery smell, and this is not something that I go for. But it's a good scrub at the end of the day. It's really nice. I enjoy it, of course, and I really wanted to try all the versions from the Dove Body Polish. So this is my third one. Next, I also got the Wish Care cold pressed 100% pure sweet almond oil, but this is shitty. मुझे पता नहीं, शायद मैंने ज्यादा लगा लिया, पर ऐसा यूजुअली होता नहीं है. मैं अपना राइट अमाउंट लगाती हूँ जितना मुझे लगाना चाहिए, बट इसके साथ पता नहीं क्या हुआ. इट जस्ट फेल्ट सो बैड. मतलब एक तो स्मेल इसका बहुत ही बुरा है, ठीक है. दूसरी बात, ये इतना ज्यादा ऑयली था कि मैंने जो अपना सिल्क कैप पहना था इसके ऊपर, जब भी मैं ऑयल लगाती हूँ आई वेयर अ सिल्क कैप बिफोर आई गो टू स्लीप, सो माई पिलो कवर्स आर नॉट रूइंड. मेरा पूरा सिल्क कैप आधे कलर में पूरा तेल 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 हो चुका है एंड दैट वाज सो बैड. मतलब ये इतना ज्यादा ऑयली, इतना ज्यादा चिपचिप है. I do not like this. Next I also got is this Love Beauty and Planet Ka Tea Tree Oil Peppermint Scalp Scrub. This was the first time I tried a scalp scrub and my hair felt so good. It used to really extract all the buildup, everything of that sort and really purify my scalp. But ये पूरे टाइम इवन लव ब्यूटी वेबसाइट पे, नायका पे, सब जगह पे आउट ऑफ स्टॉक था. सो आई ओनली फाउंड इट बैक ऑन Amazon. So I quickly purchased this because Aditya also loves and uses this and we both are a fan of this one. I'm going to try more scalp scrubs from other brands so we can test and see. But for now, this is so good. Next up, I have something from Gunam Beauty. This is an Indian homegrown brand by a woman and I really have been eyeing these products a lot because they have been award-winning products and I love supporting Indian homegrown brands because why not यार. इंटरनेशनल के हम अगर इतने सारा खरीद सकते हैं तो हम अपने इंडियन के क्यों नहीं खरीद सकते. And this was mind blowing. First of all, I purchased all of this with my own money. There's one more. This is the entire range. I think she has another product or not, I do not know, but these are some of the most talked about products from her range. First is this Daily Liquid Exfoliant. I cannot tell you, I think everybody was right. When I started using it, I could see my skin getting clearer day by day. Like मुझे लग रहा था कि वो मेरे चेहरे पे वो चमक जो उठी है. I noticed it 4th or 5th day पे and I was using this combo. Like इन दोनों का कॉम्बो. फर्स्ट आई वुड यूज दिस टोनर, देन आई वुड यूज अनदर सेरम, एनी सेरम, एंड देन आई वुड गो इन विद दिस cream. This is a face cream and my skin would shine, like literally shine. And जब भी मैंने फिर थोड़े दिन बाद छोड़कर कुछ और यूज करने लगी, I was started to notice my skin was getting back at normal, but not the shine or extra वाला नहीं था. So I assumed it was this, and they are so good, but it's really exfoliating and I love this for that, especially in summers because वो धूल मिट्टी सब चिपका हुआ होता है. It just really clarifies your skin. Next, I also got the face cream. This is also very hydrating. I don't like the smell, like it's very weird. The smell is very weird, I have to say that. I do not like the smell, but the cream in itself is just so good. It's nourishing, it's hydrating, it really just brightens up your skin. It's a thick cream, it's thicker than your normal daily moisturizer, so I do not recommend using it in the morning in case if you are sweaty or oily of that person. ड्राई स्किन है, अगर बहुत ड्राई स्किन, अगर आपको स्वेट नहीं आता है, यू कैन यूज इट. बट अगर आप मेरे जैसे हो जिसको स्वेट भी आता है और यू आर ऑयली, यूज इट इन द नाइट एंड यू गोना लव इट. देन आई हैव द मल्टी करेक्शनल फेस ऑयल. ये मैंने इतना यूज नहीं किया है अभी तक, आई गेस 1 या 2 बार यूज किया है, बट इट्स अ लिटिल बिट too oily for me, for my skin, so I am going to give this more chances and more shots to give my final review. But in case if you want to try any of these products, just give their daily liquid exfoliate a shot. You are not going to regret it. Next up, I also got this Indie Wild का full on like a little package thing. इन्होंने मदर्स डे के लिए ये निकाला था, I remember, पर ये मैंने खुद के लिए खरीद लिया because it had products that I really wanted. Firstly, it has a hairbrush which has got Wild Child written on it and Indie Wild embossed here. And second, they have the normal size of their chumpy oil. I already love their chumpy oil. I have already gone through the version of this one. I now have a bigger version of this and now this one as well. So I do really love this. I really want to get the brush as well. So मैंने पूरा पैक खरीद लिया because why not? Next up I have is this Amino Eye Serum. Now ये बहुत ज़्यादा viral with very much credibility हुआ है. And one of my favorite skincare influencers, Bhavika Dhar, she used this product, but she recommended this product. And जब भी skincare की कोई बात आती है, I really trust her, and that's the reason why I got this eye serum. Because अभी तक सिर्फ एक ही ice cream, did I just say ice cream? अभी तक सिर्फ एक ही आई सेरम ने मेरे पे काम किया, that is the beauty of Josin वाला. And next I wanted to really give this a shot because they have some good credibility going around on this one. Next up, I also got some stuff for Aditya, so I am going to quickly show you there. First up is this Tres Nuit. Tres Nuit. Okay, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it right. Tres Nuit. First up I have is the Armaf Tres Nuit perfume. So Aditya really wanted to buy a perfume this time and he spent 2 days figuring out, looking through YouTube and Instagram and all of those stuff, and he finally picked this one, so I bought him that. So this is a dupe of some very high-end perfume which is worth 40,000. So in case if you want to buy this for any men in your life, you can buy this one. Next up, I also restocked this Dove Men Plus Care Extra Fresh Underarm Roll-On for him. इसके जो पिछले वीडियो में जो नायका सेल रिकमेंडेशन में मैंने इसके बारे में आपको बताया था, how it's so good, he's been loving it. बट वो बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गया because he's been using it every single day and ज़्यादा so बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है. So we got a restock of it. And next I also got the Nivea Deep Impact Max Tech Underarm Roll-On. Both of these he's really loving it and he says that they are very long lasting for him, so it's good. Next up I got is the 82 East Man Face Beard and Body Cleanser. This is the Woody Wood version. Now iska na I do not know what is going on with 82 East. कभी कभार वो लोग अपने products जो 1500 के हैं वो 500 में देने लगते हैं, and I got a sponsored ad of that, so I got it for Aditya. Now it's not something out of the world. He told me it's not the best, but it's an okay and decent product. So yeah, he doesn't mind using it. It just does what it says, so nothing out of the world. So good only. Finally, we are done with hair care, body care and skincare. So now let's jump on to makeup, which is also my favorite part, most favorite part out of all this. So yeah, let's do. फर्स्ट अप आई हैव इज दिस हाया मैट लैक्मे लिक्विड लिप। ये मैंने किसी के वीडियो में देखा था, आई थिंक इट वाज मेकअप विद नेहा, उसके वीडियो मैंने देखा था इसके बारे में। शी डिडंट रियली लाइक इट दैट मच बट शी सेड दैट इफ यू वांट टू ट्राई यू कैन ट्राई दिस शेड। सो मैं ये स्पेसिफिक शेड ले आई। उसका स्किन टोन इज अ बिट डार्कर देन माइन बट उस पे भी अगर ये बहुत सुंदर लग रहा था, उस पे ये प्रॉपर न्यूड था। सो आई थॉट इट विल बी अ नाइस न्यूड डीप शेड फॉर मी, सो आई गॉट इट फॉर माई सेल्फ। This is what it looks like. Next I have is the MAC lip pencil. Now MAC पे 20% off था, I guess 20 or 25% off था, and I've been wanting to get this shade for the longest time. This is the MAC lip pencil in the shade Chestnut. ये इतने टाइम से आउट ऑफ स्टॉक था but it got finally back in stock and I got it for myself. So Chestnut is going to be a really good shade because it's a deep brown shade and I love deep brown lip liners because they literally go with anything and everything. I will make a video on my top 5 brown lip liners because I literally only use them. Next up I have is this Nykaa Super Light Blur Peptide Primer. Now Nykaa का जो Super Light collection है, it's going really well and I have all the products from that range. So I really wanted to make a video on the entire collection of Super Light by Nykaa to check whether which product works and which product does not. I have some from PR and some मैंने खुद खरीदे हैं, तो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ रियली गुड वीडियो। तो मैंने उसके लिए बस यही प्रोडक्ट बचा था जो मेरे पास नहीं था उनके कलेक्शन में से, सो आई बॉट दैट एंड नाउ विल मेक अ वीडियो ऑन इट। Next up from Elf's buy one get one, I got the lip exfoliator by Elf and their waterproof brow pencil. ये मेरा कल ही खत्म हुआ है, so I already got a restock because I love this. This is probably the only brow pencil I've been using from past, I guess 3-4 months. अब ये पूरा खत्म हो चुका है, so I had to get a restock. I am going to keep repurchasing it till the time I find something else. And the second thing I got is this lip exfoliator. I already own a Elf lip scrub and I really like it, so I thought I will try another one. This is in the strawberry variant, so I'm quite excited to see how this performs. Next I got is this Nude Sticks Stack Blush. Now ये काफी ज्यादा वायरल हुआ है, हम सबने देखा है, वो जो से ऐसे एक के ऊपर एक के ऊपर एक के ऊपर एक वो लोग करते हैं, मुझे बहुत फैसिनेटिंग लगता था वो। सो अब उतने सारे खरीदने के तो पैसे है नहीं, सो आई थॉट आई एम गोइंग टू एटलीस्ट ट्राई वन। ये कितना कूल है यार। ओह मुझे लगा ये टूट गया यार, मैं डर गई यार। For a second I forgot it comes off, but it's magnetic, so it just shuts like this. I have been seeing a lot of videos before I purchased which color I wanted to because they have a lot of good shades. But I picked it in the shade Cheeky Coral because I thought I lack coral blush shades, so this is going to be it. Let's watch it and oh wow, this is so creamy. Oh, and this is what the swatch looks like. Next up I got the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. Now I already have tried NARS ka long wear foundation way into the years, I guess probably 4-5 years back, and I loved it. I remember loving it so much, but वो फिर expire हो गया था, so I had to throw it away. But this is a brand new one for me. It's in the shade Wanatu M3.5. I thought this is going to be a good match for me. I have not tried it out, but I have heard great things, and I think NARS is someone I do not even doubt for a single second when it comes to their foundations. They have some of the best foundations, and this is going to be no exception, I know. Next up from Maybelline, I got their new gloss shade. This is in the shade Bubblegum, 24 Bubblegum, and ये उनका one of the newest shades है. They came out with I guess 4 to 5 shades a while back. Not very new, but a while back. So I wanted to really try Bubblegum because this looks like a very nice hot pinky shade. And let's see, क्या जगह बची है क्या कहीं यहाँ पे? Oh wow, this looks extraordinarily pretty. I am now very excited to try this, put on my lips, but right now I can't do that. But this looks super cute. We are going to quickly swatch it out. Now I have 3 new launches from Makeup Revolution. I have this Makeup Revolution ka marble blush. Oh my god. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is the marble effect on a blush and it looks super super stunning. Like, can you see that? I am dying to now ruin this and put this on my cheeks, but I've not heard a lot of reviews about this. It was not viral or something, but we are going to soon try out if it's actually good or not. Next, I have the Makeup Revolution Super Fix Super Hole Misting Spray. Now, this is supposed to be like those one size spray जहाँ पे ये एकदम absolutely fix कर देता है आपके makeup को and it does not budge. It's waterproof, sweat proof and all of that. But it's nothing like that. It's nothing like that. It does not hold or do anything. I have tried it. I tried it several times on my hand, on my shadows, but it's not working that well. I might just use it in my winter time because तब मुझे sweat proof या waterproof की जरूरत नहीं होती है. But वैसे तो कुछ भी नहीं है खास इसके बारे में. But still we are going to give it this a fair shot. I will research more on this one and then I'll put a review up. Lastly, I have is this Makeup Revolution Sunset Lip Shift Peel Off Stain. This looks so interesting to me. I have heard and seen a lot of peel off lip stains जब आप लगाते हो and then you remove it with your fingers or it comes off. I am very excited to see how this is going to perform. It's very nice, very, very interesting concept, but I've never tried a peel off stain before. So I am very excited to try this one out. Finally, we are done with the video. My hand is full and so is my heart. I love you guys so much. If you guys did enjoy this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video so I can bring out more such videos for you. Also, जिन products के बारे में आपको reviews नहीं मिल पाए हैं that are quite new to me, जिनको मैंने use नहीं किया है, उनके बारे में भी reviews will be either in my YouTube shorts, either in my long format YouTube or on my Instagram reels because I am very, very active there. So please follow me on Instagram as well if you don't want to miss out on any of the reviews. And now I will see you in the next one. Bye.